Hi guys, just a super quick welcome to the course that me and my good friend and marketing expert on Udemy, Scott Britton, have put together. It really breaks down the 10 most powerful things you can do to your course to make sure you're increasing that monthly revenue that Udemy pay you at the end of each month. Now, a few things I want to touch on. Inside the course, we've broken the marketing down into inside the Udemy platform, so inside udemy.com and around your course, and also techniques that you can use outside the marketing platform to help boost your sales. So inside the marketing platform, we have things like how to create your content 10 times faster, the 5 power factors of Udemy course page that determine if it's going to sell or not, and the simplest technique to improve your course engagement. One more we have in there is how to increase your review score on Udemy by 500%. A couple of awesome lectures from marketing outside the Udemy platform. We have how I make an extra $1,000 every single month. We have the easiest way to increase your monthly revenue, and even how my friend made $3,000 before he even created his course. All that's on the inside. I hope you join up because I'd love to see you inside, and I know it would pay you back in spades. Thank you guys.